listen up. We want to do a little intro for the weekend. You guys all, obviously, thank you everybody for coming out. Really appreciate working on the short timelines. I know everyone's hitting me up, checking your email. Where's the flights? Where's the hotels? But listen, we all made it. We're all here. We're here for the weekend. The intention of the weekend, this is a mastermind, right? Everybody that's here, some of you have been here before, some of you haven't been here before. Obviously, it's good to see faces that I've seen already. New people, we'll chat and get to meet each other. But the intention is all of us to come together, right? Everybody here is a high-performing individual. That's the reality of the situation. Everyone here has had results. So everyone here is part of the same mission. I want everyone to connect. I want all of you guys to commingle. I want all you guys to get to know each other. That's the whole purpose of the weekend. Community is the theme, right? As TFT, as this company, we've been transparent, we've been honest, we've been trying to do our best to navigate this crazy fucking industry, right? These crazy opportunities that are available to us. Seriously, it is a blessing. It's a blessing to be here. Like, I think we take these moments for granted. And given the situation, in the industry, given what's going on, I think it's a time to have a lot of gratitude for us being here, for us being together. Because that's what this is all about. It's about all of us coming together as people that believe in what we're doing, right? So this weekend, we've organized, obviously, we're on the boat now, we're here to have a good time together, kick it off. Don't be shy, right? Go up to each other, meet each other. Some of you guys know each other already, some of you guys don't. It's a good opportunity to get to know new people, right? Or people that you need to catch up with. So the boat, the theme, just get to know each other, commingle, obviously, have a good time. If you guys need anything, let us know. Later in the day, we're gonna have, where's he at? Mr. Rico Puerto Rico over here. He's gonna lead a leadership session for us. So he's gonna walk us through some lessons. I'll have him comment on it in a little bit. So that's gonna be scheduled later today at the Airbnb that we have rented out for us to hang out at. And then we're gonna have dinner tonight as well. Tomorrow, we want to do a podcast with Mr. Pasquale, the legend himself. So he's made the most money on TFT thus far, joining us from Germany. Don't act surprised. joining us from Germany, right? So we want you guys to hear his perspective. We'll get into your training. I haven't spoken with you yet. But yeah, we're here to have a good time. We're here to get to know each other. We're here to learn, right? And that's really, again, the core of the weekend, community. So again, thank you guys for all coming out. Really appreciate all the support. Before we get into it, Mr. Rico Puerto Rico, I'll introduce you and talk a little bit about yourself and
absolutely
what you want to get into.
What's up, friends? Thank you so much for the opportunity to be here. I'm Rico from Puerto Rico. It's a fun way to remember my name. I do a lot of leadership development, personal one-on-one coaching. I prefer group settings like this. There's a lot more wealth of knowledge in masses than there is one-on-one, right? And just to echo what he said, community is the most important part of the weekend, right? Yes, we're here, we're, in a little luxury yacht, we're going to a nice Airbnb, but it's not about the money. If you guys are here, you're successful enough where you can afford this, right? You're here for something bigger. You're here for a bigger purpose. That purpose, like he said, is community. It's to come together, to learn off of each other, to sharpen my wits off the wits of others, right? So make sure that you engage. Be purposeful in your communication. You don't want to be a month from now and it was just a great weekend, you took nothing away from it. You have something to learn from each other right now, in this moment. So make the best use of that weekend, if that makes sense. And I'm gonna make sure that tonight, I'm gonna deliver tools, is all a self-reflective, self-awareness type of leadership training opportunity. So while you're on the boat, I'm gonna refer back to the boat and your experiences here in the next few hours, right? The conversations then become, what do you wanna get out of being here? If you're intentional about what you want to get and walk away with, you will create it. But if we don't have that intention, we'll just go ahead and create whatever's natural in your lifestyle, right? But intention is everything. Purpose is everything. So once you start to focus your mind, you'll see how the gold nuggets pop up, all right? So I want to make sure, if you don't know somebody and you just happen to be walking by, a great introduction, just tell them your favorite food. Hey, pizza, you know what I mean? And then they'll tell it back, and then just start a conversation. Get natural, open up.
Or your favorite pair.
Or your
favorite pair to trade.
Pair to trade, that works too, Other than that, I would love to have a conversation with any and all of you. If you find me, I'm happy to have very enlightening, philosophical conversations, I'm that guy on the boat, all right? And again, it's an honor and a pleasure to be here, and I really appreciate all of you guys for welcoming me, especially Angelo for having me here.
Yeah,
thank you
for being here. So one more person I want to introduce, Richie. So Richie's joining the Funded Trader team. He's an athlete and definitely high-performing individual. So any of you guys want to talk to Richie, meet Richie. He's here to share. He has a wealth of knowledge. He believes in a similar mission that I believe in, to be tapped in, to be disciplined, to be focused. So yeah, Richie, thanks for being here. Obviously, want you to feel as though you're part of the team, because you are. And yeah, we're looking to take things to another level. So thank you for being here. And anybody that wants to talk with this guy, like, if you want to talk to a high-performing individual, has done it in college, done it at, before college, done it at the professional level, like, this is the guy to speak with right here. So.
And guys, I really don't align myself with many companies. I'm very specific about who I work with. I really have to trust the vision. You really have to be an industry trailblazer, and I speak about vibrating highly, and I feel like he does that. I feel like Rico does that, and I feel like you guys are building a team that does that, and that's the main reason that I'm aligning myself with you guys. I come here and I'm fit for service, so whatever you guys need from me, doesn't matter. Conversation, ask me how to throw a punch, ask me about trading. I'm pretty suited in economics. Whatever you guys need, I'm fit for service, and I'm here for y'all. And I'm also excited to learn from you guys.
Let's go. Seriously, guys, like, this weekend, this energy that we're cultivating, being together, like everyone here that's had success, let's really take that to another level, right? Let's really enjoy this weekend. Let's enjoy this time together, and let's just have fun. And that's it. Let's go.